I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your MIUI version and backing up the current lock screen wallpaper. This prevents surprises. Once done, open Settings, go to Wallpaper, then choose Lock Screen so you're in the right menu. Make sure to disable any third-party lock screen apps now. They override system options. You'll act fast here. We're preventing the automatic rotation by removing competing controls before changing the built-in toggles and policies. This sets up a stable environment for the next steps. Now you'll stop the dynamic sources that force random swaps. Turn off the daily lock screen or any auto-change toggles inside Wallpaper. Next, open the Themes app and disable the lock screen carousel, recommendations, and any cloud sync that replaces images. Also inspect security or permissions, revoke wallpaper or background refresh access for apps that push images. Once these are off, the phone won't fetch new pictures. Make sure to save or apply changes before moving to the finish by selecting a static image manually, apply it to the lock screen, then reboot the device so the change sticks. If the wallpaper still flips, clear cache and data for themes and wallpaper services to remove cached carousel settings. Once done, test with a few reboots. If random changes continue, uninstall recent apps that manage wallpapers. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. One key tip: check for carrier or OEM preloads that may re-enable carousels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.